Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yesterday I told you have two types of passages. 20 marks you have in your syllabus for passages. One is a normal passage which we had done yesterday. It was related to cooking what? If at all you were
Rice.
present, you might.
Rice.
Very good. Cooking rice. So you have an idea now that this is the type of question paper. The first passage is a normal passage. It's a normal passage where you simply read the passage and you answer the questions based on it. Today we'll do the second type of passage that we have. I'll be showing it to you. I'll not be helping you initially. And you have to see. Just 1 second. Let me admit the children. This we have already done. So this is the second type of passage that you have, which comes in exams. This one. Some figure is shared with you. Little bit information is also given to you. This one. Read the first paragraph and the second paragraph. Fine. Read the first and the second paragraph. Just have a look on this. This tells you computer is used for what? How many % of people use computers for what? Okay. Every day they are using, 2-3 days a week they are using, once in a week they are using, or once in a month they are using. These different colors will indicate this only to you. Read the first paragraph, second paragraph, try and have an overlook. This box gives you an information. What this shows, you can zoom it a little and see this figure. So what you need to do is read the first paragraph, see the figure, and read the second paragraph. This is a paragraph based on visual inputs. Try and zoom the figure. It's not very clear. I know that. Once you're done, please let me know. I'll scroll down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, Anushri is waiting in the lobby.
I just remember I took her in. Maybe she was disconnected. Just 1 second. Actually, we logged the meeting after 5 minutes. Children, please let me know once you have read the first and the second, though I'll be showing it back to you in case when you do the questions and you want to go back, I'll show it to you. Just reading.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, Peter. Read it quickly. Done, Peter. Should I scroll down? Read, children, or not yet?
Ma'am, I'm reading.
Okay, okay, take it. Now done, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Even if you're not able to read what is written here, it's absolutely okay. You'll get an idea of what it is. Now the fifth paragraph, and then we'll move on to the questions. When we do the questions, whenever you want me to show any particular paragraph, I'll go back and show it to you. Let's see in visual based how much we can attempt. Finish reading this so that we can move on to the questions and discuss them. Yes, children, done? Should we move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, today we'll honestly judge ourselves. After you finish, I'll discuss the answers with you. And then you tell me that how many you got correct. Whenever you want me to show any of the particular paragraphs, let me know. Try and do the first and the second one. If you want me to show something, please let me know. You don't have to write the answers, just write the correct option. Like for A, if you feel first is correct, note down somewhere A first, B second. Note down somewhere so that once you check, you know your scores. Once you're done, let me know. I'll go down. Yes, Beta. Decided the answers for the first two. If you need any help, if you want me to go back and show you the passage, let me know. $20 marks you have for your comprehension. We cannot ignore this also. Okay, fine. Now the C and the D1. Then we'll discuss the answers for the first 5. Do C, D, E, and let us discuss the answers for the first 5 first. Let's not wait and do all first. Just write the correct options. Don't write the sentences. Beta, are the questions clear to you? 3rd, 4th, and 5th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After 5th, we'll discuss answers. Once you're done, let me know. I'll discuss the answers with you and you can check out your scores for the first 5 questions. Can we discuss the answers for the first 5? Yes, students. Should we discuss the answers for the first 5 or not yet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you all are ready, then I'll start. Okay. First 5 will give you an idea as to how much we are able to, how confident we are doing visual paragraphs. I'll speak out the answers. You check yourself. The A1, the fourth option is the correct answer. A. B1, the third option is the correct answer. C1, fourth is correct. And D1, third option is correct. And in the E1, second option is correct. Let me speak out again. Second, the A1 I'm talking about, the fourth part, easy availability of internet. This is the correct answer. The B1, the third one is correct. C1, the fourth is correct. Incredible. D1, third option is correct. And E, second option is correct. That is plagiarism. How many could you get right out of these 5?
4.
4. Very good. If the score is 4, then it is good. Others, what is the score? 4.
Ma'am, 4.
If you're getting
4.
4, then it is very nice. Very good. If you're able to get 4. Okay.
Ma'am, 4.
Very good. Very good if you're able to do 4. Let me have more of visuals with you. H, I, H and I now, because G is a little hodgepodge. It is half here, half here. F you have done, you have not done F also. Do the F1 first, one by one. Let me discuss answers side by side. Do the F1, let me discuss. Yes, beta. What is the correct answer according to you people? I'm talking about only F. Yes, what is the answer according to you? F. Which option is correct? Yes, what is the correct answer for F, beta, first, second, third, fourth? Which is the correct option? Ira, Anadi, all of you not yet done or not getting the answer?
Ma'am, I haven't read the paragraph because I joined class late. So I am not able to answer it.
Okay, she has not done. What about others? First time I have taken up comprehension passage. I know it is very boring at times to do online comprehension passages, but at least you should try, na? What is the answer for the F1 children? Not
Ma'am,
getting the
option
answer?
Ma'am,
Option?
second.
Very good. Excellent. It is the second option. I told you earlier, if you want me to show you any of the paragraphs, go back. I'll show it to you. Very good. Second option is correct. Okay. Graphical chart, you'll not able to see. H and I now. H and I. If you want me to show something, let me know. I'll go back and show. H and I quickly. Just two at a time, beta. Okay? Just two at a time. Yes. What is the answer according to you for the H1? Any guesses? H. Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, option first.
Very good. Excellent. Option first. Excellent. As of now, I'm not telling any words, meanings. You have to simply guess yourself because in comprehension, it can come from anywhere. So you'll have to really make guesses for the meanings. What about the I one? You want me to show paragraph 4 first? Or you'll be able to answer this? I. Let me show you the 4th paragraph. Read it,
Yes.
then give the answer. Yes, that would be better. The question is not in information not shared in paragraph 4. Options I'll show you later. First, you read 4th paragraph. It is such a small paragraph. Read quickly, then I'll show you the question.
Ma'am, please show the question.
Yes, beta. Now, since you've read the 4th paragraph, you'll be able to answer the question very easy. Don't ignore these, children. This is 20 marks. Yes, now read question number I and guess the correct answer.
Ma'am, option 3.
Ma'am, option third.
I'm sorry.
Excellent, children.
3.
Excellent. It is option 3. Excellent. Okay. I know it is a tedious process doing these passages, but I thought at least once we should do, then we can move on to grammar. Excellent. It is third one. See this. According to 2018 survey, which is the option that correct displays the feature of page numbers for use in citation and the content transfer between devices respectively. 2018 survey, relationship between page number citation and content transfer. This is J 2018 survey. Here, beta, read the 5th paragraph. Here lies the answer. And look at the figures. From this, you have to select which is the correct one. Relationship. I'm showing you the 5th paragraph. I'll show you the question once again. Which option correct display of page number for use in citation, relationship between page numbers and the content transfer? Read the 5th paragraph, then we'll go back and select the answer. Read the paragraph? Should I show you the
Yes, ma'am.
options?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, select out of these. This is option 1, 2, 3, 4. Relationship. J1. Yes, Peter. What do you think is the
ma'am.
answer?
Option 2.
Ma'am, option 2.
Option 2, excellent. Excellent answer. Too good. Very, very good. If you can answer on screen, so obviously you'll be able to do very well when it is in front of you. Arrange the given ebooks featured preferred for research from the least favorite to the most favorite. So where are we going to get this information? Least favorite to the most favorite. And then we'll be able to give this answer.